well-known feature of Troy University's campus is in the middle of a major restoration project. We're talking about what's being called Lake Lagoona and its surrounding area. TrojanVision's MacKenzie has what the university is doing and the pros and cons from an environmental perspective.
For years, students have passed by the University Lagoon, a small man-made lake that sits downstream from the Janice Hawkins Cultural Arts Park. Although some may have heard about the lagoon's heyday,
I know they used to train and do courses out there with canoeing and sailing.
the majority of today's students, faculty, and staff likely know it is a murky body of water with even murkier residents.
Really increased nutrients, really increased sediments. Suspended solids are really high.
According to the university, the dredging of the lagoon is the final phase to restore and beautify the area. It's a project Helm says could help the water and the organisms that call it home.
Getting rid of all those legacy sediments that are there and everything they've carried with them over the decades, if properly disposed, that would be a good thing.
Now, the lagoon isn't the only area seeing a big change. A small wetland located above the lagoon will also be impacted.
Anything coming from the Janice Hawkins pond to the lagoon would basically be filtered out by that creek and that wetland.
That area is now expected to receive an enhanced downstream water flow system. Plans also include new walking trails and improved lighting. It's a project that comes with pros and cons, but could help reset an area that was biologically disturbed.
These environments aren't necessarily static. And so those kinds of things that they take kind of constant tweaking.
Helm says most of the fish population will likely restore itself. Time will tell if the wetland will do the same. MacKenzie Foster, Troy, TrojanVision News.
This project began during summer break. The university says work should be completed by the end of spring 2025.